Welcome to our channel. In this video we will see how to create pie charts in Python and how to customize and save the resulting images on your computer. We will be using pycharm for creating the Python scripts. Pycharm is an open source tool and free to use. We will be using a library called matplotlib to draw the charts. If you already have it installed on your computer, then skip this part. Otherwise, go to the Terminal tab in pycharm and give pip install matplotlib command. Similarly, also install numpy package as well if not already installed. So, here is our first pie chart. First, we import the matplotlib and the numpy packages. Then we create two arrays. One for our data values and another one for the labels for the pie chart. Finally, we create a pie chart object and pass on the data values and the labels. And then show the plot. If we run the script, we get this chart. In the next chart we are going to add a start angle in our pie chart. This time, we want our chart to start at 90 degrees. If we look at the chart which we created previously, it started at 0 degrees. Now the new chart has been rotated by 90 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. This time we would like to highlight one or more sections of the pie chart. You can do that by defining the explode values. We have 4 data values and we would want the first value, which is for fruits, to be highlighted or exploded. We have defined a value of 0.1 for the first element and kept the explode values of 0 for all remaining sections. You can increase or decrease the explode value. You can see that we increased the explode value to 0.5 now. You can explode more than one sections also. You can also add shadows in the pie chart to give it a 3D look. In our plot we have added a shadow equals true option. You can see the results it produced. We can also control the colors for each section of the pie chart. In this example we have provided a color for each section manually. You can either provide a built-in color like red, green, etc., or you can also provide RGB colors. We can also add legends in our pie chart by using the legend command. You can also set the title for legend if you wish. You can also control the location of the legend. In our next example we have put the legend in the center of the pie chart. If you want this chart to be used in a Word document or PowerPoint, you can save the chart on your desktop as an image. In this example we have used the save figure command to save the chart as a PNG file. We hope that you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, then please subscribe and like this video. Thank you and see you again.